Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Interesting. Uh, let's go for nested template. This background is going to be this colour. We'll leave that red for a second. We will start shrinking it. 60, 90. Not far off. 60 looks right. It's going to be 100. Not 1,000. Okay, that looks good. Then we will do a background of a radial gradient. Make it this colour. And what's this diameter? 60, 240. So it's 120 off of 300, which is 180, so 90 pixels. And transparent. Also make it a circle. Do 0 slash how wide is one of these? So 100 to 160. Call it 60 pixels. 60 pixels by 2 be too much. How about 50? 40, 50, 60. 58. Let's just check what we've got. Wider than that. Okay. 60, 70, 65, 66, 67. See how close that is. It's close, but it's not quite right. About 68, 69, 68. Let's just check that middle slice instead. 166. 236 would be 70. Let's try 70 and minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, 70 and minus 5 looks good. That gets us that background. Then, what do we want to do? Do a radial gradient of this green, and how big is this? Let's measure it from here. 160, 180, so 10 pixels, and then transparent. Likewise, once a 1Q. What's the size between them? 170 to to 230 is 60 pixels. So 0/60 pixels. And then -10, -20, and -20. Okay, that gets us close, but we're going to have to do something to cover up the two outsides, which is a pain, but never mind. We'll do one conic. Do we want a conic gradient? It's debatable, but let's do it anyway. So 60 in and 10 high. Why is that hidden everything? Green. Just take that out temporarily. Okay. Oh, much better. Right, now let's shift that into place. So 0, 100 pixels. Does that get it into, that gets it into the right place. And then just make it 160, 240, 80 pixels wide. Plus the outside, which is 60, so 140 pixels wide. Okay. And then we'll just do a linear gradient, which will make brown transparent, brown for 100 pixels, transparent. We also want this at 90 degrees. 100 pixels is too much. How about 60 pixels? Offset it by 0.20 pixels. Make it 240, 140 pixels wide. To repeat only on the x-axis. Also only wants to be, what, 80 pixels high? Okay, let's see how well that goes. There's 100% match. Let's do some basic unit replacements. So 20 pixels is 5 VW. 140 pixels is 25 plus 5. So 30 VW. Ooh, where did I go wrong? And 40 pixels. 25 plus 10, that's 35. Let's try that. And likewise here, I think should have been 35. Okay, good, good. And 70 pixels is a stupid number. 10 pixels is likewise problematic. Anyway, let's get rid of that bit and minify and submit. And there is attempt 1. And then I think what we'll actually do is use a paragraph. Then in here we'll do plus P. Put a semicolon there. And a height of, what's this? 120 to 170, 50. Okay, now why is my P not showing up? Like that body. Okay, we can leave that as a star. Width 100. Interesting. Okay, if I do that, then it shows up. So what we actually want is okay. That could be a problem. Or we could sort of, we could just make this, what happens if we take the height out? Okay, what happens if we make the height 100%? Okay, and then what happens if we then change this background? We'll get rid of that linear gradient which covers stuff up. We'll take this radial gradient, we'll shove that in there. And that might want to be 0. -10 pixels. Well, that seems about right. Let's hit submit just to check that we're still 100%. That is indeed still 100%. Take those out to minify. It's slightly shorter. Okay, and I think that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.